I like a lot of cheese.
Me too.
Yeah. I'm not taking you.
Oh, okay.
I'm just
Are you
taking
ready?
yeah. Thank you. The potato soup is here. Potato. I'm a potato girl. Oh, my salad is here. Ooh. Ooh.
Bread, please. I'm coming back with your soup.
Okay.
Thank you. Okay, just tell me when.
Okay. A lot. I like a lot of cheese.
Me too.
Yeah. Thank you very much.
Is that good?
I love it. Yes, that's good. Thank you very much.
Fettuccine Alfredo.
Okay. Thank you.
Yes, on pasta, please.
Oh.
I'm good. Cheese on your sweetie?
Yes, please.
You want to record?
Yeah. I'm not recording you. I'm
No,
recording them. Yeah,
I
okay.
know. I was just saying.
Yes. Thank you.
Of course.
And the fries are here. I can't live without fries. I really can't live without fries. And chicken Alfredo, fettuccine Alfredo, chicken fettuccine Alfredo, and fries.